AIOps, short for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations, refers to the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to enhance and automate IT operations. It combines big data analytics, AI algorithms, and automation to provide intelligent insights, improve efficiency, and streamline IT processes. The traditional approach to IT operations management involves manual monitoring, troubleshooting, and maintenance of IT systems, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. AIOps leverages AI and ML to analyze vast amounts of data generated by various IT infrastructure components, such as servers, networks, applications, and logs, in real time. It can detect patterns, anomalies, and correlations that would be difficult for humans to identify, enabling proactive problem resolution and faster incident response. AIOps platforms often incorporate multiple capabilities, including 1. Data collection and aggregation. AIOps tools collect and consolidate data from diverse sources, such as monitoring systems, event logs, and performance metrics. 2. Machine learning and analytics. AI algorithms analyze the collected data to identify patterns, anomalies, and trends. They can automatically learn from historical data and detect deviations from normal behavior, enabling predictive and prescriptive insights. 3. Intelligent alerting and event correlation. AIOps platforms can filter and correlate alerts and events, reducing noise and providing context to IT teams. This helps prioritize and address critical issues more efficiently. 4. Automation and remediation. AIOps enables automation of routine tasks, such as system restarts or resource allocation, based on predefined policies. It can also suggest or implement corrective actions for identified problems. The benefits of AIOps include improved operational efficiency, reduced mean time to repair, MTTR, enhanced system performance, and proactive capacity planning. It can also support decision-making by providing actionable insights and facilitating data-driven IT strategies. However, deploying AIOps requires careful consideration of data quality, security, and privacy. Organizations must ensure data integrity, train AI models with representative data, and adhere to privacy regulations. Overall, AIOps holds great potential to transform IT operations by harnessing the power of AI and ML to optimize system performance, increase reliability, and improve the overall user experience. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.